Hey guys, today we're going to make this lovely bow out of some green ribbon with some gold trim. If you'd like to see how we do it, just keep watching. So to start with, you're going to get a spool of ribbon. You want it to be a little wide and kind of wiry so it's malleable, so it'll kind of maintain its shape. And I'm just going to go ahead and pull it all off of the spool. After I do that, I am going to start wrapping it onto itself. Now, the length of this and how many times you wind it onto itself will vary depending on the type of bow you want to make, big and fluffy or small and tight. For this one, I'm doing it about 10 times. And then I'm just going to cut it. Now, once you have that, you're going to go ahead and cut a little tiny half slit in the middle of the section of ribbon on each side, almost to the center, but not quite. And then you're going to get another section of ribbon and cut that to wrap around your folded ribbon. You're going to wrap that over where you made the slits and just tie a basic knot. And you're going to tie the knot tight right into those slits that you cut. Now I'm just going to fold the ribbon in half and cut it at an angle on each side. Once you have that done, you can start shaping your bow. To do this, you're just going to open each one of those loops. They are all tucked inside of each other. Just pull them out one at a time and start shaping them and opening them. Now, during this part, you can choose to make a really fluffy bow with very big open loops, or you can make a flatter, more folded, bow. For this, you can see as it's taking shape that to start with, it is very fluffy, open looped bow, and you could just leave it like this. Or you can continue on like I did and make it flatter. It really just depends on the look that you're going for. Just keep messing with it until you get what you like. This was pretty, but I decided to keep messing with it and make it more of a folded bow. And there's the end result. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Merry Vlogmas!